to set up your store and follow along step by step with me, I partnered with Shopify to get you a special deal. You'll get a 3-day free trial and then your first 3 months for just $1 per month. To activate this special offer, go to this link on screen right here, or click the first link in the video description. Once you go to that link, you'll be brought to this page right here. Start by entering your email address down here. Once you've done that, click on this arrow to continue. And then to start your free trial, go ahead and create a password. After that, click on Create Account. And then on this page right here, you'll have to enter your payment information to claim the special deal. On the left side here, you'll see that today you'll get 3 days for free, and then it's going to be $1 per month for 3 months, and you can cancel at any time. So to claim the special offer, go ahead and enter your payment information right here. And once you're finished, click on Subscribe for $1. All right, so now your free trial has been activated. On this next page, you'll see options for different plans. When you're just starting out, I'd recommend going with the basic plan. So let's go down here and click on Try Basic. Then we'll go down here and click on Not Now. On this page here, click on I'll do this later. And with all of that done, you'll arrive in your Shopify dashboard.